Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to replace this cabin filter in this 2007 Mini Cooper S. If you need this part or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. To get to the cabin filter, we're just going to come under here on the passenger side, right underneath here. I'm going to take a straight blade screwdriver, and there's a little panel right here. Just going to slide that into that slot. And then over here on this side, there's a little cover. Pull that cover down. The filter is located right here. Just gonna grab the filter and kind of slide it down. It's gonna bunch up a little bit. You can kind of roll it. And pull it out. We're going to take the new filter. You're just going to roll it like this. It's going to go up. Just slip it through. There is some gaps right there. It's going to be like it's going to be at an angle, just like that. When that's in there, we just take the door, lock it back in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.